could be a lot faster.
That stuff is way better. I just want to hear the psst.
Sounded like a fucking bottle popping. I want to get back so I can see like everything.
The whole thing.
Oh shit!
Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
I'm not going to until the shit goes out.
I'm gonna let that thing do whatever it wants until it's done. I think the other one is that little black thing on the ground. I hope not. I don't want to get up there and see.
Here, take the shit.
There's a cop that lives right over there.
Taking one for the team.
Oh shit, there's a hole in the bag.
Yeah.
See if that's the can. Did it fall out or is it still in there? Here, jump up on the trailer and look down.
You look at it, I can't see it.
Oh,
Oh shit!
It's going, Ricky.